Homeopathy for the win. I had just gotten my house clean by a lady in the neighborhood someone had recommended on Thursday. And so when she posted in our neighborhood Facebook group about having these crazy allergies, I was like, oh, hey, let me check this out. So she said, she was like, is there a doctor in the neighborhood who can prescribe for me? My allergies are killing me. So I messaged her and I said, hey, what's going on? She said that it happens every year. She just gets really bad allergies. And usually if she can get a steroid prescribed for her for 2 days, then she is fine for the season. But she said this season, she said, it is the worst that it has been. So I said, I'm studying homeopathy. Can I help you? And she said, yes, I'm desperate. I was trying to send her some stuff to really match a good one single remedy to her symptoms, but I think she maybe wasn't as versed in English, so things were kind of getting lost in translation. So to give it the best shot, Brian makes combination remedies that are widely available at CVS, Walgreens, Walmarts. They're all over the place. So she had told me her symptoms. It was like she had like a red eye, and she said her cheek was inflamed. She said she had a burning sore throat. Her mouth was burning, and her eyes were burning, lots of burning, and that she couldn't sleep last night. So I just looked at the local CVS to see if they had this remedy, RhinAllergy, and I was looking specifically for that throat pain component. And I looked at the different remedies listed. So this is a combination remedy. It's got a couple remedies in there. So I looked at those, and they seem to hit all of the ones that I would have suggested for her. So as you can see here, I said, see if you can go pick it up. I showed her that it was at CVS. It was late at night. And I said, go pick it up. I will pay for it if it doesn't work. So she said she was going to send her husband like right away. And then today I texted her just now and I was like, did it work? And I just wanted to text you, yes, worked. Thanks so much. So she showed me that she had bought that RhinAllergy, and she went and said that her husband had reminded her just now to say, hey, did you text that lady to tell her that the remedy worked? She's like, you need to thank her. So I was so grateful for that data point. I don't have a lot of experience with these combo remedies, but it has great reviews online, so you can always start there. And they're so widely available, and they really cast a broad net. Like it's, a good chance that they will address the need that you have. But as well, she is now able to skip kind of the hassle of going to a doctor, getting a steroid. Who knows how much those cost? I don't. And she can just use this. And what's better is that the steroid that she was taking every year wasn't helping her allergies, right? They were suppressing them. This, if she keeps taking it, will help her body heal. And hopefully eventually her allergies will be less severe next year. Follow for more homeopathy tips.